Hey guys, Dope Hazard here, and I've already done two videos I think today. One for the recording app, and then the fancy key. Those two things right there. And now we're gonna go to Zedge, which I'm sure a lot of you guys know about Zedge. It's great. Found out about this app. It's really cool. As you can see, there's a bunch of wallpapers here. There's something even cooler. I actually like this wallpaper right here. That's really cool. I'm gonna download that. I'm gonna set that as my wallpaper. Okay. Whoops. So, that's how it works, but there's free ringtones, which is we're the main thing. So,
just get ready for work. She said, hola, como esta? She said, honey, you need me. Turn down for what?
whoops. But yeah, I mean, there's a bunch of different ones. This app, I think, is. I mean, I know it's on the App Store for iOS. I don't know if it works, but I know it works on Android because that's what I have and that's what I'm using. But yeah. So we'll just play some more, and yeah. I wanna shoot, baby. Take the wheel. But yeah, that's what I got. So hope you guys like this video. There'll be more, and yeah, peace out. That's the end of this video, and Dope Hazard. There's my background. Dope Hazard out.